My name's Louis Visser. I'm a practicing dentist in Arizona and California. I've had several practices throughout my career, and as a practicing dentist, one of the things I've always been very concerned about is gaining new patients, taking care of my patients, but always making sure that I've got a healthy supply of new patients in my practice to continue to grow. When I first started looking at my website, I was trying to think, how are good ways to get the traffic on my website to convert into patients? I came up with chat. One of the obvious things with chat is it's another way that people can communicate with the practice besides picking up the phone. And more people today are deciding to text and chat before they pick up the phone. When I first did chat, I was trying to manage it on my own. I actually put a chat icon on my website, tried to be available as much as I could, and when the chats would come in, I tried to respond, collect some patient information, but it was virtually impossible. That's what's so great about Kontak, is someone's available 24 hours a day, before the office opens, after the office opens, and even on the weekends. There's always someone there that can provide information about the practice, collect patient information, collect contact information, and then relay that to the practice so that they don't miss any potential leads. So one of the challenges that most practices face is a constant stream of new patients. They spend a lot of money on marketing, driving a lot of traffic to their website, but it doesn't necessarily mean anything if that traffic on the website doesn't convert into patients. So if they don't call the practice, schedule an appointment, it doesn't mean anything. Chat is just a natural addition to every practice should have on their website. One of the great things that we've had at Kontak is a very positive ROI for all our customers. For the new patient leads they've gotten, the amount of patients that have converted into appointments that have led to production has been an amazing ROI. Some of our practices even 100 times what they've spent on Kontak. If someone's interested in Kontak, they can try us for a month at no charge. They can try out our service, see how it works, what they think. Kontak is really easy to implement in your practice. We'll collect all the information about your practice, train your operators on how you want us to respond to questions. Our operators will do all the chatting, and we're going to forward all the leads to your practice.